Almighty and the Most Merciful. Today, I am very joyful and joyous and jubilant to appear ahead, including faces, students and teachers. So praise be to Allah who allowed me to stand in front of you. I am greeting with the best of Islamic greeting, that is Assalamualaikum alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. After that, today I wanted to suggest a topic about education. First, what is education? Education is the key of the life. Really, education is not need for you, but you need. Two persons are not same, because Allah said for Holy Quran, قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَمِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ إِنَّمَا يَتَذَكَّرُ أُولُو الْأَلْبَابِ. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, كُنْ عَالِمًا أَوْ مُتَعَلِّمًا وَلَا تَكُنْ سَالِسًا. I would like to shorten my speech and say to you all of wish you the best.